guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So for today's video I'm going to be carrying on with my rainbow eyeshadow series, and today we're going to be doing green. I've kind of put a sort of bluish green jumper on to match with the eyes, but I think I'm going to be doing sort of like a grass green, kind of deep green kind of colour. So for this green shadow look I'm going to try and stay away from my usual rainbow series palette, which is the 120 colour eyeshadow palette, the second edition one by BH Cosmetics, and instead I'm going to be using two other palettes. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm also going to be using the Toofaced Sweet Peach palette. These have some quite nice transition shades, and they also have some nice green shades. So I think from the Morphe palette I'm going to be using this top four here for transition, and they have some nice green colour and it has a nice turquoisey shimmery kind of colour. And then in the Sweet Peach palette they also have some nice transition shades, but they also have this nice dark foresty green shimmery kind of colour as well. So I'm going to be doing a mixture of the two. Now if you don't have these palettes, don't worry, you can literally use any green eyeshadow you have. I hope you all enjoy this video, and if you did, please like, and if you can also please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I just quickly popped off camera and did this eye first. It's quite dark and like foresty and like sultry and very pretty. Okay, so first off I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Base on a little flat brush. Just take a little bit of this, and this is going to be our eyeshadow base. And then taking a fluffy brush, going into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to use the shade Peaches and Cream just to set down the base. And then with the same brush and the same palette, going into the shade Puree, this terracotta-y shade just here, we're going to put this in the crease. And then taking this BH Cosmetics flat brush, I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this really bright green shade here, and this is going to go all over the lid. And then going in with that first brush that we used for the brown, just blend out the lines of that green. And then using a pencil brush into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to go into this really dark forest green colour, and this is going to go in the crease and the outer V area as well. And then taking a slightly smaller blending brush, we're just going to blend that green into the brown. And going back into that first brown colour, Puree from the Too Faced palette, just put it on top of that dark green just to bring the brown back a bit. And then just keep blending until it all blends nicely together. And then taking a really densely packed brush, I'm going to spray it with a bit of setting spray. In the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette we have this dark shimmery green which is called Bless Her Heart. So we're going to put that on our brush and then put that all over the lid. And then taking that slightly smaller blending brush we used for the dark green, we're just going to blend out this shimmery shade. Just keep blending it until it all diffuses together nicely. Then we're going to take a different flat dense brush and go into the Jaclyn Hill palette into this really nice gold colour just here. I'm going to pack that onto the brush, and then this is going to go directly in the centre of my eye just to give it a bit of a pop and a bit of a va-va-voom. So next I'm going to take this little smudger brush and I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette again and go into this really light shimmery shade down here. And this is going to go in my inner corner. Really brightens it up quite nicely. Now for the lower lash line I'm going to go into the first really bright green we used and just smudge this along the whole lower lash line. And then I'm going to go into that dark foresty green colour that we used on the pencil brush and just smudge that around as well. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow done. Next I'm going to do liquid liner, and I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This has a little brush applicator. I'm going to do a relatively thin line if I can. So that's the liner done, and then for mascara I'm going to do a mixture of 2 different mascaras. The first coat I'm going to do the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, and then for second coat I'm going to do the Toofaced Better Than Sex mascara. So this is the finished eye look. So to complete this makeup look, I'm going to do some lipstick. I'm not sure what lipstick I want. I have this NYX Black Label lipstick in the shade Nude, or I have this Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Chauffeur. So, I think I want to go for the Makeup Revolution one. I think the NYX one is a little bit too pinky. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line my lips with this Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner in 05 Lovely Frappuccino. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. Okay, and then I'm just going to put this lipstick on. And this is the finished makeup look. I'm not 100% sure if this lipstick quite goes with this eye look, but I like it. You could probably go with a bit more of a nude lipstick, but I like it, so it's fine. And I really do like how this makeup look turned out, how the eyes turned out. I think it looks really pretty. Really, really good makeup look for like St. Patrick's Day or something, or if you want to be like a leprechaun for Halloween or something, I don't know. But yeah, I think it looks really cool. I really like how like my eyes look like really, like they stand out quite a lot. I quite like that. I naturally have quite bluey green eyes, so I feel like this is quite a nice look for my eyes. And also if you have brown eyes, I think this will really make your eyes pop. I did put a little bit of highlighter just below my brow bone just to make them stand out a bit more, and yeah, I really like it. I hope you do too. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you do like it. I will obviously list all products I used, including my base makeup, down in the description box below. I already had my base makeup done because I was doing a foundation review video, so I had already had my base makeup done, but I will still list down below what I used, and I will also list down below the foundation review that I did. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all quite like this makeup look. I really, really enjoyed it, and I probably would wear it again. I think it is a bit more wearable than orange or yellow, you know, so I think it's really, really pretty. It's quite adventurous for me, but I never do green. It's quite nice to get a use out of the green shadows in the palettes. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I would really like it if you liked the video and subscribed to my channel. I really, really appreciate that. And also leave me a comment down below of what you think about green eyes. Would you wear green eyeshadow on your eyes, or would you not? Are you that adventurous, or are you sticking to the nudes and the browns? So please let me know. I would love to like have a little conversation with you down below. I love that. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!